Welcome again to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is easy potato salad. As normal, the fullest of ingredients can be found in the description box below, or you could just pause the video now. Put 2 pans of water on the hob, one for the egg, one for the potatoes. Bring both pans up to a boil, simmer the egg for 6 to 7 minutes, and simmer the potatoes until no knife or fork tender. When the egg has cooled down, shell it and then cut it into chunks. Next, we drain the potatoes, allow it to cool before adding the mayonnaise, salt and pepper and mixing through. Now it must be said that I like for this recipe to have my potatoes cut in half. My wife likes them whole, so we had strong words about it. Guess what? They're whole. Whether you've been lucky enough to get your potatoes how you like them, in half or not, when the mayonnaise is mixed in, use the scissors and chop the chives into the mixture and thoroughly combine. Next, add the eggs to the potatoes, mix through, and there you have it, an easy and simple potato salad. Hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe, share and like, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.